Indian classical music is an ocean. ThoughtWorks India Private Limited is proud to present an effective and multifunctional tool to make your musical journey of learning, teaching and performing easy and enjoyable. eSwar, a unique software blended into this cute little hardware. All of us are aware that Shruti, Talam and Ragam, that is Sur, Tal and Rag, are the pillars of Indian classical music, both Carnatic and Hindustani. eSwar helps you to discover these in depth. eSwar can be powered on by connecting it to any electrical plug point. It comes along with a universal adapter and can be used anywhere in the world from 100 volts to 240 volts. In the absence of power, eSwar can still be used by inserting 4 numbers of 1.5 volts AAA batteries into this. By doing that, the Shruti will be on. However, for the Ragam and Talam, you still need power.
As you can see, eSwar has an effective built-in speaker. If you want to hear a higher volume, sound can be amplified to an external speaker.
After you connect eSwar to the power mode, as soon as you switch on eSwar, you can listen to the Orukatte Shruti, which is C in Western, or Safed Ek in Hindustani, or the Shruti that you played when you last used eSwar. As soon as you switch on eSwar, it will be on the Tambura mode. However, you have the drone, Tambura, Ragam and Talam options on the screen. In order to use any of the options, you can use the up-down arrows. When you switch on eSwar, it is on the Tambura mode by default. You will need to choose the drone option if you want to hear the drone. Click on drone and choose the volume control and keep pressing on the plus option so that you can hear the drone clearly. This procedure is relevant only in those product models which have both the drone and the tambura. Now let us choose the Pancham option. After choosing the Pancham option, you can choose any Shruti from half katte to 8th katte in Carnatic music and low A sharp to C top in Western. Let me choose the Shruti. I am choosing 1 katte. To go directly from 1 katte Pancham to 1 katte Madhyam, press the select button one time. This is a short key option. Now let us look at the Tambura option. Under this there are 2 types. One is the Tanjavur Tambura and the other is the Meerut Tambura. Tanjavur Tambura is made of the bark of the jackfruit tree. This is predominantly used by the Carnatic musicians, while the Meerut Tambura is used from the shell of the vegetable gourd and is predominantly used by the Hindustani musicians. There is a clear difference between the Tanjavur Tambura and the Meerut Tambura. Under the 2 Tambura types, you have 2 options, that is the single and the double Tambura option. Under all these options, you have Shruti variations. Starting from half katte to 8 katte in classical style, that is low A sharp to C top in Western, and under each of these options you have 4 Shruti variations starting from Panchamam, Madhyamam, Nishadam and Shadjamam. We are in 1 katte Panchamam. To shift to 1 katte Madhyamam or Nishadam or Shadjamam, Press the select button each time. Hold your breaths, that's not all. Between every two Shrutis, you have two definite intermediary pitches. For instance, between C and C sharp, you have C plus and C sharp minus. This feature is available only in certain models. Ragam. This is one of the special features that adds to the uniqueness of Eswar. Eswar comes in multiple models. The basic model has 50 ragams, a combination of Melakarta and Janya ragams, and the high-end model has all the 72 Melakarta ragams and more than 250 Janya ragams. Let us select Ragam. Under Ragam, we have three options: Melakarta, Janya, all. When you select Melakarta, the Melakarta ragas will be listed according to the alphabetical order with the relevant Melakarta number shown on the display screen. Let us select the Janya ragam option. Once we select the Janya ragam option, it gives a listing of all the Janya ragams in the alphabetical order along with the Melakarta ragam number from which it has been derived. Let's select the all option. Once the all option is selected, all the Melakarta and the Janya ragas are listed in the alphabetical order. After listening to all this, don't you want to listen to a ragam? Let's listen to a ragam. Once I select the ragam, the arohanam and the avrohanam of the ragam can be heard and the grammar of the arohanam avrohanam can be seen on the display screen. There is another special feature, that is the hold button. By selecting the hold button, you can repeatedly listen to one particular note. This will help students of music to listen, practice and achieve perfection. Also please note that the arohanam and avrohanam of the selected ragam will be played in the shruti that it has been set to in the tambura or the drone. This is not applicable to the intermediary pitches. Tal. The basic model of Eswar has 7 standard tals and 2 chapu tals. The high-end model has 7 standard tals which can be played in 5 jatis and 5 nades at various tempos. Let's press talam. Once you select talam, the different talams are listed on the display screen. Once you select the talam, it goes on to the jati mode. You can select the jati. Next it goes on to the tempo mode. Select the tempo. Next it goes to the nade mode. By default the nade will be off. You can scroll down, choose the nade and play that particular nade. To all our prestigious customers who have chosen to buy Eswar, kindly know about the warranty, registration and the most important upgradation scheme. To know more about the policy and the product details, do visit our website www.eswaronline.com. There is no substitute to an acoustic tambura. However, Easwar has been developed by selecting the best tamburas across the country, tuned and played by the most seasoned professionals. So, Easwar is the next best thing to an acoustic tambura.
With Easwar, we wish you a very happy musical journey.